Here, we will discuss how to measure the size and how to wear the ankle binder. The ankle binder is available in 4 sizes. Measure circumference approximately 2 inches above the inner ankle joint. Now, let us see how to wear the ankle binder. With the longer half upwards, wear the compression sleeve with a pull-on action. The striped portion should be aligned around the heel for perfect fit. Wrap the elastized strap around the ankle in a figure of 8 shape. Affix hook loop straps to a comfortable compression. Now, let us see how to remove the ankle binder. The product can be easily removed by unfastening the elastized strap and pulling down the compression sleeve. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.